The company started in the late 60s, a very small firm with maybe one manufacturer that they represented.
Our goal was to build a broader market presence and to build sort of sustainability into our business.
As I got to looking for work, I found the HVAC world, and we needed a project manager. So I came and interviewed with the company. So it was amazing. We had some people that had been in the industry for a very long time at that point.
When I heard of an opportunity that they were looking for someone to run their service department, I thought I could add a lot of value to the organization, bringing my experience from a mechanical contractor to them to help them elevate their service department, their service technicians, and their deliverable to the customers.
We have a top-notch training center. That's another way we stay in front of customers, is getting them in the door, giving them training, making sure they understand what they're getting.
I believe I was about employee number 48 or 49. And in the time that I've been here, we've grown the company. I want to say that we have about 250 plus employees now. There's been a lot of growth and a lot of opportunity, and I really enjoy being here.
Having a one-stop shopping approach is really what's important. Once you establish that in a local market, it gave you the ability to go after a national account and have that support in place that situated you in a good position to go after a national account and say, we can do everything for you, we can solve your problems.
One of the most important priorities for Johnson Barrow is our relationships with our clients. We strive to be with them. Strong relationships really are the key to success.
It's one of our differentiators. The breadth of product and service that we can bring to a customer is really important. We'll be able to provide them that end-to-end solution for their issue.
Some of our competitors and other mechanical contractors are very rigid, and we are always flexible and willing to change and update our processes, and we're not stuck in our ways.
We can offer things that other manufacturers are not able to offer.
If you surround yourself with good people, all you have to do is give them an idea of the vision. They'll run with it. If it costs us a little more today, big deal, as long as it keeps us strong and that long-term relationship being built.
We really have partnered up with a lot of manufacturers to be able to sell systems, and it's great to see how all of those different pieces interact. And I think there's an advantage to being able to look at that. Customers trust us to design systems rather than just sell pieces of equipment.
You have to have a good enough relationship with them so that they trust you to bring the right solutions to the table. That equipment's going to be there for 20, 30 years.
It doesn't matter if it's our problem or if it's an industry standard issue. If they have a problem, solve it.
You wouldn't think that HVAC is a fun environment to work in. We're pretty technical, but I really like the collaborative spirit that we have here at Johnson Barrow.
Solving problems, that's where I kind of really enjoy getting up and coming to work and making sure we get all those things taken care of.
The level of trust that our ownership group has in all of the employees here at Johnson Barrow. It's a wonderful place to work. I love everyone I interact with. Everyone is very willing to help and jump in and support the team, and we all work together for the end result, which is a great project for our customers.
I would definitely say the people here is why I stay. The work is good, but we all have to come do a job, but the people's what make us stay.
I really like the relationships that I've built at Johnson Barrow. The workforce here is fantastic. Gary is an inspiration. He is one of the main reasons why I'm here at Johnson Barrow.
I call him our chief entertainment officer, right? He does bring a lot of energy to the company. He hired me when I first came into this industry, so he's been one of my mentors for a very long time.
Gary is a force to be reckoned with, and that's for sure. His commitment and investment in growing his Costco Group business with AAON and Johnson Barrow is incredible, and it's something that we really watch. I would say the biggest impact Gary has on us is just showing that when you put a lot of effort into something and really see it through and commit full in, lean all the way into your customer, that you're rewarded and you're building a customer for life.
he leads with example. I mean, he proves it every day. The customer relations that he's built, the relations he's built with all of us.
I think that our customers would say that Johnson Barrow is at the forefront of technology in the HVAC industry, and that we're a resource to make sure that the equipment is properly applied in systems.
I see growth as far as I can see.
We've come a long way. We've been successful because of the challenges we've overcome, the pitfalls we've solved. But I think looking forward, it's let's stay focused on the future, overcome adversity in the present, but it's the future that will guide us through this and make us successful. And I have all the faith in the world that this team is capable and the right team to take us to the next step. Keep focusing on the future, not the present. Be the best you can be, have fun, enjoy the journey.